Hi, content creators, welcome to Taskdrip. We know how hard it can be to build your brand and create amazing content, especially when you're on a budget. Tools like Canva Pro are game changers for designing professional graphics, videos, and so much more. But let's face it, not everyone has the extra funds to afford a monthly or yearly plan. That's why we're here to help you out. We've made it our mission to provide access to Canva Pro Team invite links, giving creators like you the tools you need to succeed, all while staying within your budget. Sound interesting? Let me show you exactly how to access Canva Pro step by step. First, visit the Canva Pro Access page on Taskdrip.com. You can search Taskdrip Canva Pro on Google or find the link in the description below this video. No spam, no annoying ads, just a straightforward solution. Once you're on the page, you'll see a simple form. Here's what you need to do. Input your name or business name so we can personalize your experience with us. Provide your email address. Include your Telegram username. After joining our Telegram channel, as a member, you'll gain priority access to Canva Pro Team slots, updates on new tools, resources, and strategies, a direct line to our team for support or requests for new tools. Joining the Telegram channel is essential for staying connected and ensuring you don't miss any opportunities to improve your content creation journey. Every small act of gratitude keeps us motivated to bring you more free tools, tips, and strategies to grow your brand. Remember, the best tools shouldn't be out of reach for creators with big dreams. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe for more free tools and resources. See you in the Taskdrip community.